everyone. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties and health benefits. Known for its thick, fleshy leaves that contain a gel-like substance, aloe vera is often referred to as the miracle plant due to its numerous applications in skincare, health, and wellness. The plant is native to the Arabian Peninsula but is now cultivated in many tropical and subtropical regions around the world. One of the most well-known benefits of aloe vera is its ability to soothe and heal skin irritations. The gel extracted from the leaves is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it an effective remedy for sunburns, cuts, and minor burns. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and swelling, promoting faster healing. Many skincare products incorporate aloe vera for its moisturizing and soothing effects, making it a popular choice for those with sensitive or irritated skin. In addition to its topical uses, aloe vera is also consumed in various forms such as juices and supplements. Drinking aloe vera juice is believed to offer several digestive health benefits. It can help alleviate symptoms of heartburn and acid reflux by balancing stomach acidity. Furthermore, aloe vera is known for its laxative properties, which can aid in relieving constipation. The polysaccharides found in aloe vera help support gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the digestive tract. Aloe vera is also recognized for its immune-boosting properties. The plant contains compounds that may help enhance the body's immune response, making it more effective at fighting off infections and diseases. Its antioxidant content helps combat oxidative stress, which can contribute to chronic diseases. By incorporating aloe vera into one's diet, individuals may experience improved overall health and vitality. Moreover, aloe vera has been studied for its potential benefits in managing diabetes. Some research suggests that aloe vera may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This effect could be particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes, but more research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms and effectiveness. Another notable benefit of aloe vera is its role in oral health. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera make it effective in reducing plaque and gingivitis when used as a mouthwash or in toothpaste. It can help soothe oral ulcers and promote healing, making it a valuable addition to oral hygiene routines. While aloe vera offers many health benefits, it is essential to use it properly. When applying aloe vera topically, it is advisable to conduct a patch test first to ensure there is no allergic reaction. For those considering aloe vera juice or supplements, it is important to choose high-quality products and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if there are existing health conditions or medications involved.